Have you ever come across a dancing baby video online and wondered, how was this even made? The good news is you don't need expensive software or advanced skills to create one. In this video, I'll show you how to use completely free AI tools to turn a simple image into an adorable, interesting dancing baby video that can easily go viral. Hi, I'm Victoria Uton, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Using simple and straightforward methods you can complete in just a few minutes. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful AI tutorials.
So to be able to create this kind of video, you have to come over to your Pinterest. So click on Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest, just go to Play Store or Apple Store and then search for Pinterest. Open it and then come over to the search bar, and what you have to search for is Nigerian kids cultural outfits. Okay, so you can actually use any kids cultural outfit you want to use. So for me, I'm going to just make use of Nigerian. Okay, so you can see here lots of cultural outfits. I think I love this one, so I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to, once I click on it, I'm going to come down here to these three dots. Then I'm going to click on download image. Once you click on download image, you wait for it to download. You can see image downloaded. So once you do that, let's move on to the next step. So the next step is for you to come over to your ChatGPT. So once you come over to your ChatGPT, you come over to this plus sign here, the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, click on add photos. So I'm just going to go ahead to bring in the image I downloaded from Pinterest. So I'm going to say ChatGPT to give me a prompt to turn this image into a Pixar 3D animation in 16:9 aspect ratio. She should not hold anything. I don't want her to hold anything. So I'm going to click and send. So you wait for it to generate the prompt for it. I wouldn't like to stay here and generate the image, so I just need the prompt. Here is the prompt that ChatGPT is giving me to create this image. So I'm going to copy from here. Now I've copied the prompt. Let's move on to the next step. So the next step is for you to come over to your browser and then search for Whisk. So search for Whisk AI. Okay. It is as simple as that. Once you search for Whisk AI, look at how the interface will look like. So once you sign in, this is how the interface is going to look like. So you come over to where you have describe your idea or roll the dice for prompt ideas. So I'm going to paste in the prompt I copied from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead to send. Wow, isn't this amazing? This is extremely beautiful. So here is the result that Whisk AI is giving me. So the reason I'm making use of Whisk AI to generate the image, I would have just used ChatGPT to generate the image. It is because of aspect ratio, because I want it to come with 16:9 aspect ratio, which is for YouTube long form video. So once you do that, highlight the picture, then come over here. You see this arrow facing downward to download the image. Okay, so Whisk AI gets to give you two images for you to make a choice from them. So after downloading your images, let's move on to the next step of actually turning these images to a dancing video. So the next step is for you to go to Play Store or Apple Store and then search for Kling AI. Kling, this particular one here, that is the app. So once you search for it, go ahead to sign up and then the app will be open. This is how the interface is going to look like once you open your Kling AI. So you can see the features that embody Kling AI. We have here Kling 01, we have AI image, we have video. So we have image to video, we have text to video, we have multi-element, we have avatar, we have motion control. What we are going to be looking at is motion control. So you click on motion control. So once you click on motion control, look at what you are going to do here. Under motion control, we have here add character image, and we also have add motion video. So first thing first, you have to upload your character image. That is, it has to be JPEG or PNG. So, and then the size limit is 10 MB. Okay, so I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to go ahead to click on select from camera roll. So then I'm going to bring in the image we downloaded from Whisk AI. So you can see the image is uploading. So you wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, so that is the image character we want to use. So you come over to this plus sign where you see add motion video. I'm going to click on this plus sign and I'm going to select from camera roll and then wait for it to open. So you see, now is for you to select a video that you want to mimic. I already have a video I want to mimic, so I'm going to kindly click on it. So and then I'm going to click on done. So you can see the video has been added to the timeline. Here is the first motion that I want to mimic. So, and then what you have to do next, you can as well prompt. You can see here when orientation matches the video, complex motion achieve higher performance. When it matches the image, camera movements are better followed. So you can see that the orientation only support 3 to 10 seconds video. So this simply means you have to make use of video that falls under the limit of 3 to 10 seconds. So what I have to do, I'm going to just say, please make sure the uploaded video matches the image. Okay, once I prompt that, I'm going to come over to where I have generate, click on generate, then wait for it to generate the video. All right, the video is done generating. You can see here. So it's for you to come over and click on assets. Once you click on this asset, you'll be able to access your video, then click on it and say, this is my video. Here's my video. This is crazy. So you can see that it does exactly what is in that video, the video that she's trying to mimic. You can see that I have to mute this sound. I have to mute the original sound so as to avoid YouTube policy problem. You saw that YouTube will not restrict this video, so the sound is muted. For you, you may decide to use the sound if you want to post it on TikTok, Instagram, or maybe Facebook. You can use the sound, but I have to mute the sound so as to avoid copyright strike. So if you want to download your video, you come over here. You can see here this drop down arrow to download your video. You see here this drop down arrow, click on it. Now the video will be downloading. Now if you are using free version of this app, it will really take time before you'll be able to generate your video. It can only get fast and smooth results if you are using the paid version. And trust me, the paid version is not even costly. Like, it's not costly. You can get it with 1,000, I think with 1,800 naira in naira. So for you to get fast results, just go ahead to sign up for the paid version. But if you want to use the free version, you have to exercise patience because it will take time before it's finished generating or turning into a video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.